How to promote your content with email outreach. Hey guys, welcome back to the YouTube channel. Today we will be taking a look at how you can promote your content with email outreach. So let's get into it. Now we are going to be covering how to write effective outreach email. So let's get into it. Now, first thing is, how do you use outreach content promotion? Well, outreach is not digital marketing. You're actually going to be doing influencer marketing, guest blogging, broken link building. These are the things in digital marketing which you would be doing. But whatever, like all those things are things in digital marketing. Outreach is just a basic way for you to execute these digital marketing techniques. So, outreach is basically when you just contact all of these people, when you contact the bloggers, or when you contact, fixed link, like telling people to, check out your links, and all that is outreach email marketing. So, there are a bunch of tools out there. You can use HubSpot or any other tool, but we're not going to be focusing on the tool. We're going to be focusing on the strategies that you have. So, first off, you simply cannot just, depending on the kind of website that you want to get more clicks on, let's say you want to get it on a blog, there's going to be a different strategy for outreach for every kind of website. So it's not a one size fits all. So I will tell you all of the basic applications that you can do with email outreach, and then you can, customize it or tailor it to your own website. Now, first off, you need to build backlinks for any website. It is very essential. Go on to your website and take a look at your marketing and SEO and make sure it is SEO optimized. You can even use the inbuilt email marketing for some of the website builders to get started with your email outreach as well. Now, before we get started with outreach and the different strategies that you can use with outreach, what are some of the issues that people face with outreach? Now, a lot of people are like, where do I get the emails? Where do I get the addresses for people that I want to contact? Now, there are a lot of people that just say, you have that pop-up form at the start of your blog, and then you can use that as a outreach email. But to that, I often tell people, of course, you're going to reach out to the emails that you have collected via your website or via any of your other websites, but you also want to take a look at influencer marketing, such as go on to a influencer platform. So you can go on ahead on Google, and you can go on to any of these platforms such as Heapsy, so influencer marketing for starters. You can select any of these marketing tools, and what you're going to do is you're just going to go onto their platform, and they're going to link you with influencers. So you can see that you can get your name out there with influencers. They're going to show you the, posts and all that, and you might be wondering, hey, if I don't, I don't want to spend money and I don't want, a deal like that. Well, actually, just contacting, getting the email, often when you sign up for these kinds of websites, they're just going to give you the email. Or if you actually search on TikTok, Instagram, or any of these influencer platforms, you're going to find that they often have their emails in the bio, and they're like, for business inquiries, contact on this email. So you can actually contact them and ask them to promote. And what this will actually do, even if they don't end up promoting, you would say that was a failed campaign. However, that is actually going to render you more views on your blog. The more views you get, the more backlinks you get, is the better for your blog. So that is actually still going to be a successful outreach campaign. So a lot of people don't understand that outreach is a form of content promotion. And let's say that you emailed, 50, influencers with your blog. Now, you might say that, 50% of them opened the email, and then the other 25% clicked on the link and read your article that you were trying to promote to those people, and then the rest of the 25 never opened the email. Now, you would say that you never got a brand deal, you got none of them to link back to your website, you got none of them to promote it on their Instagram, so that means my email marketing campaign was a fail. That is not true. The reason for that is because even if your email marketing campaign is not getting any backlinks, you still got people to visit your blog. So 50% of the influencers actually visited your website. That means you're getting 50 new viewers, and with more viewership, you can actually be expected, maybe they will actually mention your blog, or in some time it might come up in any of their content. So there is still potential. Now, this is if you were only sending like 50 emails. If you are actually sending, like 10,000 emails, 100,000 emails, then you're going to be getting a lot of people to visit your website. Even if 50% of those people or even less than 50%. Let's say you send out 50,000 emails and only, let's say, 25% of those people are viewing your email. That means it's still well over 15,000 people that, like around 15,000 people that are opening the link and visiting and reading the article. So even if you have a success rate of 25%, you are actually getting a good email outreach campaign. So there are going to be a lot of people that say, hey, I didn't get a tweet, I didn't get a influencer Instagram post, I didn't get any backlinks. It is a failed campaign. But if your links are getting clicked and people reply to you, they talk to you about it, they email you back, that means you're still getting promotion on your website. So this is the next thing that you need to do. There is a difference between spam and outreach. If you go on ahead and open your own mailbox and you take a look at the links that you keep on getting, a simple way to just do that is to go into the spam category, and there are quite a bunch of different platforms that are spamming you over and over again. So you want to make sure that you are spamming people. You want to make sure that you're not spamming people. So make sure you're not sending, 50,000 emails to the same person. A good way to measure that is send one email or 2 emails per week if you're getting good results. If people are not opening the one email, try to reach out to them again and again. But after 2 to 3 months, like 2 months, I would discontinue the emails, and then after another month, I would recontinue the emails. This gives you the better half of the arrangement where they're not going to report you from spam if you stop sending them the email, and when you start resending them, it might spark up some interest by the person that you are contacting. That is why the spam section ends up being the spam, because these people never discontinued sending these emails. Instead, they just keep on pushing and pushing, which leads it directly to the mail spam section where you don't want to be when trying to do your outreach campaign. Now, another very important tip is that whatever emails you have, whatever you have garnered, make sure that the people are still interested in these topics. A lot of people, they, research one thing, like maybe a husband tried to buy like a jewelry necklace for his wife. That is not the customer that is going to re-engage with your email outreach campaign. That person got the necklace and they don't want anything for the next 2 years. So that is why you need to make sure that the audience is correct. You can find a lot of these email marketing tools and you can find a lot of leads, but make sure those leads that you have gathered are still interested. Timeless summer items every closet must have. So if I got their email from this section and they're not viewing any of my other items, maybe this is just one person that clicked on one fashion article and I'm keeping on pushing on this fashion blog onto them, they are never going to be interested. So make sure you're not spamming people that are uninterested, as well as understanding that you need to differentiate with email marketing. So whenever you're doing email marketing and linking your blog or whatever item you are linking, make sure in your email outreach you tell the people what is so unique about your blog or what is so unique about your email, like whatever you're linking, why they should read it. You should provide them a incentive to read it. So that would be to promote the uniqueness of the article that you have. So that was it for today. I hope you guys found this video helpful. Make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the YouTube channel, and I will catch you guys in the next video.